Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you find yourself in your garden or camping or maybe out in your warehouse and you really need to wash your hands, but you don't have facilities there, then you are going to want to check out this amazing portable sink that I got from Mighty Sink. Not only is this so well made with highly durable materials, but it is ultra convenient. It actually comes with a faucet. This is rechargeable and you can use it over 500 times for a 10-second hand wash just with one charge. This is completely self-contained, so it fits 2 gallons of fresh water, and then the used water drains through the sloped sink into its own containment area. Now, you can also choose to attach a hose like I did, and then it has continuous drainage. And talk about having the comforts of home with you. It also has accessories for hanging a paper towel roll. You can do dishes. It has a little dish rack that you put on the top for drying, and an accessory, a bin on the side. This is awesome. So, just a tip for ultimate pressure, make sure you follow the instructions to install the tube to the faucet into the little tube area. If you do that, then the pressure is really great. This is lightweight, about 7 pounds total. I love that it comes with a rain cover that helps to protect it from sun and rain when I leave it out in the garden. This is also amazing if you have little ones that you're teaching hygiene to and it's hard for them to use your sink at home. This is the perfect addition for them. Not only do I love this sink, but I love the company it comes from. It's women design, woman owned business, and she actually made it for her daughter. It is just absolutely an amazing product, and I think you're going to love it as much as I do, and that's my point of view.